Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm. You'll find the links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict, whether the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm is worth it. Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm Overview. Guardline is quickly transforming into a household name when it comes to security. The company manufactures and installs high-quality wireless security devices. Located in Ferndale, Washington State, the company has over time upheld the high standards demanded by the market, not to mention the cutthroat competition, which has helped propel its products, making them popular, reliable, and trustworthy. Guardline produces and markets the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm as a driveway alarm for residential, keeping homes safe. Equipped with up to 4 zones and about 16 sensors, users can very well count on this device to alert them of any intruder approaching their home. The product is ideal for people that are concerned about their security and that of their household members, and are therefore not willing to take any chances. The alarm system is reliable and will alert you of any movements that occur past your driveway. The product is characteristic of a receiver and a motion sensor that will be installed in your driveway's entrance. When anyone or any car passes by the motion sensor, then the receiver will sound an alarm. The sensor is fairly easy to install and use. It doesn't require any wiring because it is AC adapter and/or battery powered. What we liked. Installation is very simple. There's a lot of support both online and from the customer support. Durable and all-weather equipment. Can overcome any obstacles between the sensors and receiver. Less frequency of false alarms. Sensors are adjustable using an internal switch. No monthly payments or contracts. What we did not like. The batteries might need replacement often, or use of a solar-friendly battery. Equipment can't work alone and needs other home security equipment. Can't send alerts to your phone on its own. Things you should know about the Guardline. Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm is a great security device that doesn't need an expert to install. Neither does it require any orientation before anyone can learn how to use it. However, what you might not know is that the device is lacking in some of the most important features, in which, therefore, makes it more of an accessory for your other home security equipment. The thing is that without a smart home hub, the alarm equipment will not function, meaning that you will not be able to receive alerts on your phone. Also, the motion sensors come without wires and only use an AC adapter or batteries, which greatly limits its usability, as it would have been made possible to integrate with other systems. From the table, you note that the Guardline Wireless has one of the most powerful motion sensors with wide coverage. The motion sensors are flexible and can be installed on posts, trees, or even a few feet of the ground to get a clear view of humans and cars. User reviews. What others are saying about the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm. Donald says, "I have a driveway that is 1/8 mile long. I have 2 sensors on my drive. When one goes off after another, I know a car is coming up and where they are. I have one inside my package box at the foot of my drive, so I know when packages are delivered. I also have one in my mailbox. When the mail carrier opens my box, I know when mail is delivered. I love Guardline." Jesse says, "I installed Guardline on my back patio yesterday. It worked great, except for the early morning time. Early morning when my patio gets the full morning sun, east facing, the sensor itself has the sun guard on it and is under a covered roof. Not sure what is causing the false alarms at this time of day." Gary says, "I bought my system over a year ago and really like it. However, having lost the instruction manual, I went to your website to refresh my memory about how to change the batteries on the sensors and which types of batteries they use, but couldn't find that basic information." Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm features. Sensor range. The unit comes with a separate motion sensors and a receiver, with a range in between. If you get the standard model, then the range between the sensor and the receiver is 500 feet, while for the GL500 model, users will get up to 1/4 mile. This, however, depends on the obstacles in between. However, a short range reduces the number of false alarms. Expandability. The receiver can be expanded to accommodate up to 16 motion sensors connected to it and operate in up to 4 zones. For each zone, a homeowner has the option of installing up to 4 cameras, and which will conveniently cover the entire driveway, the rear entrances, and the walkways leading to your house. Individuals who own large compounds will find this particular device extremely useful. In addition, the receiver's sounds are customizable and will therefore allow homeowners to set different alarm tones for each zone to help them easily identify the zone that is being breached. Reliability. This alarm is very reliable and responsive, given that it can detect motion from 40 feet away. For a better range on the ground, installing the sensor close to the ground increases its ability to detect cars and humans, but don't expect it to sound an alarm when animals run across. During the installation of a motion sensor, users will get a protective housing and hood designed to keep the unit safe when the weather conditions become a little too aggressive. That is ranging from 140 degrees to -4 degrees. For adequate power supply, the sensors are powered by batteries, and which are replaceable once the receiver flashes lights. Homeowners don't have to worry about power outages because the device can easily switch to using the incorporated batteries. The device therefore uses either the 4 AA batteries or a solar panel. The receiver, on the other hand, is mainly powered by a 12-volt AC receiver or the 4 AAA batteries in case of a power outage. The features, therefore, ensure that your home is always secure, with the alerts transmitted in a timely manner. Customization. One good thing about this alarm system is that it is highly customizable. The unit allows its users to pause or set the alarm to go off at specific times, and has incorporated a library of up to 30 tones that users can alternate from. For example, a homeowner can set the alarm to only go off at night. The range and sensitivity of the motion sensors can also be customized with regards to the area that the homeowner wants to be covered by the security system. Verdict. So, is the Guardline alarm worth it? If you are shopping for a reliable security alarm system for your home, then nothing comes close to the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm. Its long sensor receiver range and the motion sensor range are capable of detecting intruders from 40 feet away and proceed to alert the owner from between 500 feet and a quarter mile away. The configurations of the receivers are precise, and users can therefore expect to be treated with some loud enough sounds when the alarm goes off. Users can expect for the motion sensor to offer them a long service, given that it features a protective housing designed to protect it from harsh weather conditions and is powered by replaceable batteries. This guarantees you consistent security throughout. However, this is not a smart security system and can only act as an accessory for other security equipment. Guardline Alarm cannot be integrated with your phone and cannot send alerts to any of your smart devices. Despite all of the above, the motion detector system is a great additional security equipment for enhanced security in your home. Close competitors. One of Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm's close competitors is the HaSmart Long-Range Driveway Security System. The system has a range of up to half a mile. This is double Guardline's quarter-mile range and means it can cover a larger area. Both systems come with motion sensors and receivers and are battery or AC powered. For protection, they all feature a protective housing for all kinds of weather conditions. How do you keep your home and driveway safe? Would you consider purchasing the Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.